Hey everybody, we're just doing some quick fox sets here. It's trapping season 25-26. Little spot where the fox are coming through the fence. So nice little snare. A little high, but you can see they've been kind of coming through there. So yeah, higher than what I would normally, but it's got that natural chin up stick, so we shall see if I have to adjust that one in a couple days or not. Okay, we got fox snare number 2 and fox snare number 3's right there. They've been coming through. You can see their tracks right there, coming right through. This was a pretty successful set last year. Last year I caught coyotes here too. That's what all the chewed up trees were. These fence crossings, they work wonders when you can find them and get on them. You can see pretty active right in here. Alright guys, just a short little video for now, just a little teaser to get everything started while I'm getting geared up. Just got back from Kodiak, so before the trapping videos really start to drop, we're going to do a DIY. We got DIY muskox hunt / caribou hunt that's going to drop, and then we did 10 days in Kodiak. We shot a bunch of deer. Alright guys, got a nice red fox number 1 on here. We'll get that reset right there. Show you the reset. So guys, there's the reset. I'm super close up. Anyways, it's about a 6-inch loop, 6 inches off the ground. You can see there's a hole where they're coming through right there, and yeah, they're just traveling right through. So yeah, not a bad red. Not a bad red.